Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack. In this video, we will show you how to unhide all rows in Excel. The first step is to click the top left corner of the worksheet. This will select all cells in the sheet. Next, place your mouse pointer over one of the lines between the column letters. This is the border between columns. When you do this, the mouse pointer changes to a double arrow. Double click it. This will unhide all hidden columns. You can use the same method for rows. Place your mouse pointer over one of the row borders between the numbers. Double-click the line. This will unhide all hidden rows. Now let's say you want to unhide only specific columns. For example, you want to unhide column B, but keep column E hidden. Double-click between columns A and C. Column B will appear while others remain hidden. The same applies to rows. To unhide row 5 but keep row 12 hidden, double-click between rows 4 and 6. Row 5 will be unhidden. Row 12 will remain hidden. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.